My name's Zach Longo, and today I'm teaching you 5 basic cooking skills. Welcome to my home. Today we're shooting in my house because Ryan no longer wants to answer my calls, guys, so we might have to find another set. But that's neither here nor there because he's over here and I'm over there. First things first, let's give a round of applause for our special guest here today. We got the lovely Fern. My sweet little angel, baby. And say hi to the people, Fern. Say hi. I'm currently dog sitting right now, so if the cooking doesn't work out, I could be the next Caesar Milan. Jordi Packer later. Okay, I love you. Go to bed. It's all right, guys. I'm technically not going to be cooking here today, so I don't need to wash my fucking hands. First things first, skill number 1, it's all about the knife. This is your number 1 tool in the kitchen. You always want to make sure your fucking knife is sharp. You don't want to have a dull knife in the kitchen. It could be really dangerous. You go to cut an onion, you're like, oh, you know, shit can happen. You want to keep it sharp. Someone breaks in the house, you're like, da, 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 da. Can't do that with a dull knife now, can you? Usually when you buy a knife set, it comes with one of these things. You're probably like, what the fuck is that? This is your knife sharpener. These things right here protect your fingers. Keep your fingers behind this. It's gonna protect you from circumcising your index finger. And you always wanna make sure that the knife is flat and you bring it away from you. Off. So the end of the knife, slide it off to the tip. And you can kind of feel it grip. And then you hit the other side. And you can do it quick once you get really good at it, but it honestly doesn't matter. You wanna sharpen the knife. You try and be all fancy. But if you're not doing it right, you're just fucking clanking some metal shit together and there's no point. Always make sure your knife is sharp, and the best way to do that is before you use it, and then clean it when you're done, and then sharpen it again and put it back. And you can feel the edges gripping, and you can feel how sharp that becomes. And the same thing applies for your other knives, whether it be a paring knife, and you can feel it grip when you got it right. That means you're doing it on the right angle. If it's too slippery, you're not doing shit. Beautiful, sharp. See that? It's a good way to ruin your cutting board and your knife. Chopping, I see a lot of people do this wrong. Scares the shit out of me when I got someone in the kitchen helping me and they're fucking chopping. Then they're gonna cut their hand right off. Nobody wants your blood as a marinade in the food, okay? Always grip with a claw. Claw formation. So when you chop, this knuckle is gonna protect your fingertips. You go like this with a flat hand, it's a great way to cut your hand clean off. Or you can do the 3-finger technique, which is the Gordon Ramsay special, where you go 3 fingers and you use this front knuckle to protect. Same thing. And it's always a good thing too, is to do a more rocking motion while you're cutting. The rocking motion is best. Don't get carried away with doing one of these. You're gonna give yourself a nice little manicure. Don't do that shit. So that's skill number 2, chopping. We're gonna hop right into skill number 3. Fucking onions. We're gonna get ready to get our hands dirty, but before we go and do that, you're probably wondering, Zach, where the hell did you get that amazing hoodie? Well, you can be part of the Italian Hand Gang too on zachlongo.com. Link in the description. Go buy the merch, okay? I don't get paid for these fucking videos. YouTube gives me like 3 cents every fucking 10,000 views. But shout out to everyone that has been supporting the merch gang. Guys, it's been crazy. Thank you guys so much. It means the world to me. If you want to cop one of these hoodies, you know where to get it. zachlongo.com, or stay up to date with the latest drop at Sugo Sunday on Instagram. We locked it down. And we also locked down the website, sugosunday.com, zachlongo.com. They fucked and had a baby, and it's my goddamn merch site. Woo! How you doing, Fern? I'm gonna teach you guys how to chop an onion. This onion, I'm not gonna lie, it's been here quite a while. It looks like an old man's wrinkly ball sack, but it's fine. It's still gonna work for what we're doing today because I'm not cooking right now. I'm demonstrating skills. Okay, so when you're cutting an onion, you always wanna slice it in half down the middle, keeping the root intact. Claw, always grip with that claw, folks. Right down the middle. There it is. Root still intact. What you want to do, you want to peel off those ugly ass layers get to the juice. Now the thing with onions, a lot of people cry when they cut onions. You know why they cry? A, because they cut the root off. The root holds that shit intact. And B, because you got a dull knife. You got a dull knife, it's not gonna get the job done. That shit's gonna bleed everywhere and you're gonna be crying uglier than Kim K. Grip with the claw. What you wanna do now is hit this on a horizontal. You're gonna put some inserts in this bitch. Okay, see my cutting board moving? I'm gonna teach you guys a little extra bonus cooking tip. We're gonna do some Zach hacks right now. This is what you wanna do. You wanna wet a piece of paper towel. You wanna get this the fuck out of here. Put this down. Watch, bring it back. That ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna put those horizontal cuts in it. I'm gonna do one more up top. And if you feel so inclined, always have that claw. You can do one more, even for good luck. Grip it like a tennis ball. We're gonna cut this part off. We don't need that. And look, the root is still intact. Still in fucking intact. So we did our horizontal cuts and now we're gonna do our vertical cuts. So yeah, now we're gonna do some vertical cuts. Keeping the root intact though, don't go all the way. Turn it around again, and this is where now you can start chopping. Look at that. Perfect chopped onion. 2 seconds flat. Get the root out of here. Look into my eyes. Am I crying? Not at all. God damn, look at, I ain't even fucking crying, dog. I ain't even crying, dog. Yo, what? What? Boom, that's how you chop a goddamn onion. Seriously, guys, that's how you chop an onion. Look at these perfect chopped pieces. They're all symmetrical, they're all beautiful. If you want to finely dice them even more, you get a nice big pile. Rocking. What do we say about the rocking and chopping? Just like that. Just like that. Over the whole pile and just shovel it all back together. Just like that. You bring it into a close pile. Bop, 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 bop. Try and keep it on the cutting board. And there you go. We got the fucking garlic. Now, garlic is my favorite. Like I said, guys, I would make this a cologne. I would make love to this if there was a hole in it. There's a few things you can do with garlic. Literally, you can cut it in half. You can throw the whole thing in the pan while you're marinating or cooking. You can break up the cloves. What I usually do is stick a knife in it, crack it open, just like that, and pull out some cloves. Now, you're gonna lay your garlic down, you're gonna cut off the root. Unlike the onion, we're cutting off the root on this. Throwing that shit away, lay it down flat, take your knife, and smash. Look at that. All the skin comes right off. Very easy. There she is. There's all the skin right there. How easy was that? And now with garlic, what you can do is just finely chop it. Rocking motion, like we said, with the claw, mini claw. Look at that. Mini claw. And here's another little trick for garlic. I'm gonna show you how to make a quick garlic puree. To make a really quick garlic puree, release all the flavor from the garlic, what you're gonna wanna do is take, if you have a little bit of salt, just put it on there. Or if you're like me, you have this fucking thing from Trader Joe's, my unofficial sponsor. Now what you wanna do is take your knife, push down and drag it. Same thing this way. Push down and drag it. The salt is gonna help pull out some of the moisture in that garlic, and look at all this beautiful garlic juice. Push down and just drag it along. Look at this. Basically, a beautiful garlic puree. And now you can scoop that up, and that is ready to go into whatever the hell you're cooking.
Final skill. If you're wondering why I'm shooting this on this angle, it's because I forgot to do this one. So we're doing it now. Better late than pregnant. Here we go. A little avocado maneuver. So we're gonna slice into your avocado all the way around. Twist. Should come apart nice and nice like this. Just like that. See that? And then what you want to do is you want to cut it in quarters. So down each half in half. Ready? There you go. Now what we want to do is peel the skin off. Just like that. Now what you want to do is slice the ridges off. So that comes off. And you can throw that into your food. It's still good. This is just to make a little pretty dish. Make your dish look extra. So then what you're going to want to do is flip it over so the sharp point is at the bottom, and then we're going to cut little ridges in this. Don't cut all the way at the bottom. And then what we have here, it becomes a little avocado fan. And put that on the dish and it looks real nice. There it is, avocado fan.
Alright guys, well, that's all we got here today. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode of Sugo Sunday. And don't forget, I don't know, do something. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ciao. Good girl. Where's a good girl? Oh, Shabobo. Oh, Shabobo, baby. It's a little girl. Hopefully you like this video more than you like my hair right now. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to go buy some of this fucking Zach Longo merch, baby. ZachLongo.com, SugoSunday.com, this is my baby girl.com. Fern, I love you. All right, guys, just leave us alone. We're in love. I fucking love this dog. Danica, if you're out there, if you're watching this, she's mine now. Yeah, eat it. Eat whatever you want. Go, eat it. Okay, bye. Love you guys.